Hi traders, Anthony here. So we're just taking a look at the dollar yen at the moment. Strong dollar, weak yen, definitely, but it's very overextended. Look at this on the daily. All right, now I'm expecting this to consolidate around here for a bit, but let's just go back and have a look and see where we are with this monthly. Let's get our bearings. We'll just go to a line chart and have a look at it on the monthly to see what it looks like. So in terms of where we are at the moment with current price, okay, so we're up around a monthly level here, and then we'll go back to the weekly, have a quick look. Okay, what have we got back here? It's on a weekly. Okay, so it's a big level. Weekly, we've got another weekly just here above, and we've got one below. Alright, so this entire range is a pretty significant level. So we'll go back to the daily, go back to our bar chart, reset. Okay, so this whole range through here is a big level of resistance. Alright, so it only makes sense to me when it trades into a level like this, that there's resting liquidity up here. I'd say resting sell orders. Okay, they buy low and then they take profit. So in this case, I'm extending the stop loss out above these levels here, and I want to see this pull back. One level we can expect this to pull back to would be down here, daily. Okay, so expect some volatility in the markets today, especially going into the end of the week. People are on holidays, liquidity is really thin. This can be fairly unpredictable. Okay, so this is why I'm preferring here to go with a wide stop. If we gain a bit of traction with it, let's come down to a 4 hour. We can pull our stop loss down and take some profits and what have you. But we do have a divergence. The other thing we do have on the lower time frame is a break to the downside. So we've broken this range here. Okay, there's the break and retest of this. Okay, that's a weekly level here we're retesting. So yeah, I mean, does this break down through here given how big this level is and how far it's overextended, right? So I mean, when you look at it from that point of view, it kind of makes sense that we get a pullback. Okay, so that's my trade for today. I'm going to take it easy. We'll get into it next week, but at the moment, just be really careful out there in the markets, because it could be quite challenging at the moment. I've put those notes into our Telegram channel regarding liquidity and holidays. Alright guys, so that's my setup for today. As always, take care, safe trading, and see you in the next video.